Hey guys, this is Jason here again with multiple streams of income. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine and how do you manage your contact list within GetResponse. And you'll be able to combine multiple lists together to combine one big list. It's very simple to do, and it's going to be a very short video. Let me show you how right now. Okay guys, now this is a very simple thing you do. You can actually combine and GetResponse, like 10 different lists that you've created into one overall list. It's very simple to do. It only takes a couple minutes. So this is going to be a very short video. So before I get into it, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button because that's very important so you get notified whenever I create a new video. Okay, so let's get right to it. So what you do in GetResponse is I have it open right here and I've already logged in. And I'm actually in the new version. I actually do not like the older version of GetResponse. Let me just show you what it looks like. It looks like this right here, and it does contacts and all your stuff's in a contacts area. And to be honest with you, I really like the newer version. It's a lot easier to use. It's cleaner. You can just go directly to contacts and there's your list. And all of your lists are right here. So now I have lots of different lists. So what I want to be able to do is show you how I'm going to combine everything into the Jason Gerald's total list. So for example, let's see if I have something in here in a couple of lists. I've got quite a few different lists out there that I'm combining. So here's 104. Show me the money. So I want to be able to go into that list and I want to select every one of these emails, and up here it says select all. So what I did is I clicked on this little button here that selected all of them on the page, but there's 145 different ones. So I want to select those, and so now I've got all 145 selected, and so I go over here to these little three dots and I want to say move to list. Okay, and now I'll be able to select which list I want to put them on, and I said I want to do Jason Gerald's total list, and so then I'll say move. Okay, all of those have been moved over now. So now I can go back into my lists and I can go look at Jason Gerald's total list. Now I have 223 different people on that total list. So now what I'm going to do, it's really easy to do, is I'm going to go through all my lists and combine them everything into one big list. So I know exactly how many people I have in that total list. And then I will communicate directly to those customers to figure out, engage with them, and if they want to be on my list or not, I'll make sure that they have an opportunity to opt out of my list or stay on my list and get onto my webinars. All right, guys, now you know how to manage your lists within GetResponse, and you'll be able to move contacts from one list to another list to group everything together. So it's very useful, very helpful for you. All right, go ahead and hit the subscription button on my YouTube channel here, and make sure you hit that notification button because it's important that you get notified whenever I have a new video that comes out. All right, guys, have a great day. Looking forward to working with you, and go out and create multiple streams of income. All right, bye-bye, guys.